Hello, and thanks for joining this tutorial. Today, I will guide you through the simple process of adding your full name on the chess.com app using your Android phone. Personalizing your profile helps friends recognize you better and makes your account look more complete. Let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. First, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the option labeled More. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, tap on Profile to open your account information. Now, you will see fields for first name and last name. Enter your full name in these fields carefully. Once you have typed your full name, look for the Save icon located at the top right corner of the screen and tap it to save your changes. By following these steps, your full name will be updated on your chess.com profile successfully. This makes your account more personal and easier for others to find. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.